Be kind to cows. If you're like most Americans, you probably eat beef. You might not think much about where that beef comes from because you probably get your beef from a grocery store. When it is wrapped in a package, it is easy to forget that beef comes from cows, and it is easy to feel nonchalant about how that animal is treated. However, the way that beef is produced today raises questions for some people. They think the way we raise cows is a moral problem. Most of the cattle in America are raised on big farms or ranches. These cattle ranches are very different from the idea of a farm that you might have in your head. In the farms on TV and in books, many different kinds of animals are raised. But most big farms only raises one type of animal or grow one type of food. They like to do things in a way that takes up the least amount of time and uses the least money. So they found an inexpensive way to feed their animals. Corn is inexpensive and it helps their animals grow more quickly than grass. Today, most cows that you eat are raised on a diet that includes a lot of corn. This raises questions because in the wild, cows eat grass. Their stomachs cannot digest corn as easily as they can digest grass. Some people even think that feeding cows something that they are not meant to eat is a type of animal abuse. Cattle ranchers say that they gradually change their cows' diet so that they get used to eating the corn and it doesn't bother them. Some farmers give their cows antibiotics to help them digest the corn. Still, other people think it's senseless to worry about this. If the cows are going to be eaten anyway, why should we treat them well? It makes life better for the cows to treat them with compassion. Humans have always eaten meat. That probably won't stop, but we can treat our cows well when they are alive. They will be happier and we will feel better about the way we treat them. Number 1. According to the passage, where is most beef in America raised? Number 2. What is a difference between big farms or ranches and small farms? Number 3. According to some people, what is wrong with feeding corn to cows? Number 4. What do cattle ranchers do to help cows digest corn? And number 5. Why should we treat cows well?